Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up in Impact. First, navigate to the Impact website. You'll then need to decide if you're joining as an advertiser, looking to promote products, or as a publisher, aiming to earn commissions. Carefully fill in your business details, ensuring all information is correct for a smooth onboarding experience. This initial step is crucial for setting up your partnership successfully. Next, you'll input your personal and contact information. Make sure everything is up to date and accurate, as this is essential for communication. It's important to read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. After submitting, you'll receive an email to verify your account. Click the link in that email to activate your new Impact profile and move forward with your setup. Once your account is active, you'll need to set up your payment preferences. Impact offers various options, so choose the one that best suits your needs. You'll also be required to complete relevant tax forms to ensure compliance with regulations. Double-check all financial information to prevent any future payment issues or delays. This step is vital for receiving your earnings or managing your advertising spend. Finally, take some time to complete your profile thoroughly. A well-detailed profile helps you connect with the right partners or campaigns. Once your profile is robust, you can start exploring the numerous programs and opportunities available on the Impact platform. You are now ready to launch your initiatives, whether you're an advertiser seeking reach or a publisher aiming for commissions. Welcome aboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.